Greeting to all. I, along with my team, Wave Wizards, bring an innovative idea that tackles the global concern. We are watering on the problem statement of e-waste facility locator. E-waste is an arising issue that affects us all, yet it remains hidden in plain street. Our modern world is full of technology, which it brings us incredible, convenient and innovation. It also generates a significant environmental problem that demands our immediate attention. Our team aim is to create a user-friendly web-based application that will serve a platform for users to get rid of accumulated e-waste. First segment of our site is dedicated towards e-waste awareness in people. It will include interactive features such as quizzes, videos and infographics to engage visitors and enhance their understanding on the issues. It will also offer e-books and fact sheets that people can download and share.
On the second segment of our website, we will serve the main problem statement, that is e-waste facility locator. The user will firstly sign in through his or her mail ID. Then they will upload a picture or model details of the e-waste products in our site with the help of AI. The site will pop out the harmful components that may be present in the waste and will also show some infographics related to that e-waste simultaneously. With the help of AI and ML, the site will locate the nearby e-waste collection and recycling facilities where user will get to dispose those products, and if the facility has door-to-door pickup service, then it will also assign a person to collect the waste from the user. On safe disposal of the e-waste through our site, an automation system will credit some points to the user based on the quality or quantity by the e-waste.
Now I am moving to the third segment of our site, which contain coupons and attractive offers which can be redeemed through these points, which can be further used in a third-party apps. Users can either use these coupons for its personal benefits or donate to environment concern NGOs. Moreover, to make it user-friendly and convenient for users, we will add multilingual support along with a chatbot that will be available 24/7. Through this website, our main aim to create awareness and preparedness among people towards e-waste and its hazards, harmful effects on human health and environment, and get rid of accumulated e-waste and make ease to people to locate and dispose e-waste safely. Thank you.